So what are the things that we should do? Now, what we to do to understand that, let's just focus on what was it that we were trying to gain from the month of Ramadan. What we were wanting to gain from the month of Ramadan was the love of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. What we were wanting to gain from the month of Ramadan was closeness to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the khashiyat of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We were wanting to come out of it by having taqwa, and taqwa is a stage which is gradually obtained. First thing that is obtained is muhabbat. Muhabbat leads us to being in awe of somebody, and that is khashiyat, and then khashiyat leads us to being in a position where we do not want to upset that person who we are in love with, we are in awe of, and therefore we abstain from doing things that upset that person, and we want to do things that please that person, and that is what taqwa is. Right? So we are all clear on this definition, and we have talked about this definition multiple times in past. So this is what we wanted to attain, and that's what we were working for in Ramadan.